I'm going to go ahead and guess that's why this phone also doesn't have a silicon carbide battery. I'm going to guess that's why they didn't spring for IP69 certification. I'm guessing that's also why they didn't add G2 magnets into the phone itself, because even without that stuff, this phone is still fine. Honestly, it's still really good. Even without a huge display upgrade, this is still absolutely one of the best displays. Super crisp, very bright, high refresh rate LTPO, and it's got that underrated anti-reflective coating. Media looks great on it. Games look great on it. It's just not the best. You know, the new chip works wonders with efficiency, and battery life has been awesome on this phone. I've ended days with 30-40% left, but it's not the best. But hey, it's still awesome. The rest of the cameras beyond this ultra wide are basically staying the same as last year, and they've turned out to be totally fine too. Plenty of speed, great autofocus, a little bright sometimes and kind of overprocessed, but that's the Samsung thing for a while. They're awesome, but not the best. This phone, this S25 Ultra, is awesome, but it's missed out on an opportunity to be the best. And I think for $1,299, it's fair to expect the best. So it's been fascinating watching the competition catch right back up, watching the lack of pressure show itself. And it's crazy how fast we went from last year being like, why would you buy anything else? To this year saying, you could buy anything else.